Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Medici, and this video is for 500 subscriber special video. In this video I will be discussing how you can freely take DP 900 in just for 48 hours preparation. DP 900 is for Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals certification. So if you are a database guy or a DBA or having a pretty much knowledge of SQL Server or Oracle or MySQL or DB2 or any of the database, you can easily take this certification within just 2 days of preparation. So people are aligned with any database technology, they can easily get it certified. And for DP 900, this exam is also free of cost, so you need not to take not to spend any money, and this certification is valid, the Microsoft certification. So once you did the certification, you can upload the certificate in your organization portal, you can get a badge, you can upload the badge in your LinkedIn profile. So that's what. So before beginning, special thanks to a few of the guys, Kumar and Muru, Gavel, Royesh, Vinay, Ashutosh and Vignesh for your support. So this is a certification that I have recently taken on 31st May 2021, and this is the certificate that you will get, and it's state that it is Azure Data Fundamentals, and this is the score sheet. The pass mark is 700 and I have scored 877. So I am not a database guy, I have knowledge of database, but I am not a PL SQL or DBA guy. So as you can see, this consists of 4 section. So I did average, like I haven't scored 100% for all, but I did score around 70 to 80% in all the areas. The areas that I did well is code data concept. So code data concept is basically they will be asking small select, update, insert queries, and that the area that I have to improve is describe how work and non-relation data on Azure. So it weightage is around 25 to 50%, 30%. So you can see your progress while after giving the exam. So the target should be 700, but this exam is easy, and I wish within 2 days you can score around 99, at least 900 or pretty much close to this. So the exam pattern, the exam duration is 60 minutes, but for me it has taken around 20 or 25 minutes or less. In fact, it may take lesser time, but I would recommend it if you not sure, then you can always give a revision after giving your exam. So exam time would not be matter, 60 minutes is enough. Then as of now in pandemic situation, the exam mode will be proctored, so you need to take the exam from your laptop, and you need a proper 2 Mbps or more internet connection with your laptop camera ready, and then you need to a clean desk where you can take the exam. So that is pretty much about all proctored exams. So number of question would be around 43 to 53. So for my case, I got around 49 questions. So it can vary. And then few important links. So this link is for Microsoft virtual training. So you need to visit this link. I will mention this down the description below. I will also attach this PPT. So you can open this link, and if you open this link, you can see in this section you need to choose Azure. And if you choose Azure, from the left side checkbox you need to check on the data fundamentals. So once you check the data fundamentals, you can see lot of trainings is going on. So this training will be for 2 days, 1.5 hours each. So you need to fill up with your personal email ID, so you will get notification before is scheduled. So once you join both of the day, you will your email ID is automatically eligible for the certification, and you can log in the Microsoft certification dashboard, and you can claim that particular DP 900 voucher that will be already present if you have attended this training both the days. And try to be attentive, because these 3 hours will be more than sufficient for you to pass. You need not to take any other video lecture if you are attentive during the Microsoft virtual training days. So the next is video tutorial. So apart from this training, I have taken one video tutorial, that is Scott Duffy DP 900. If you are okay, then you can probably go to Udemy and take this DP 900. This is for 2 hours, and with the after 2 hours you can also get a practice exam. So if you think that you need to be little bit more preparation is required for you, then you can take DP900 by Scott Duffy. Otherwise, do not take, because virtual training days, 2 days program will be sufficient. Then there are few areas that the mostly question asks. One is OLTP and OLAP. So you need to be very clear about the online transaction process and analytical process. What are the difference between? And then data description language and data manipulation language. So DML and DDL. So basically DDL is data definition language. So it's like create, or alter. So and DML is stand for data manipulation language, insert and updates. Apart from that, Azure have their own Cosmos DB. So they are expecting you to learn Cosmos DB. So you need to at least go through the from Cosmos DB. They are expecting also that you know the Graph DB. RDBMS you have to know. For Power BI you can expect 4 or 5 questions, basically from Power BI dashboard and Power BI components. Okay, so that's about the frequently asked questions. And these are the link. So if you go to this link, the first link, you will get 112 question that I have prepared, and honestly I got around 95 question from this. So if you just go through this question, this is more than sufficient for you to pass the exam. And I will also post around 200 questions in the attached to this video description. You can also go through, but if you just go through this question, it would be sufficient for you to pass. And this next link is for our new store link, so you can always check out for new question answers in Azure and AWS. Thank you. And if you pass the exam, please just make a comment so that I can understand. And I would recommend you to take the exam on Monday. So at least Friday, Saturday and Sunday you can have your preparation done, and then Monday evening or Monday morning you can take the exam, you can schedule the exam. So best of luck guys. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. So soon I will post regarding AZ204 and other stuff.